Yes, hello class. How are you all? Am I audible and visible? Yes. Kindly confirm. Yes, class. How are you all? All good? So yes, once again, welcome to one more interesting session today. This is Sheikh Rafique. कैसे हैं आप लोग? क्या आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Yes, how are you all? All good? All right, Anushka, thank you so much for confirmation. Thank you so much. Wait for a moment, then we will start the session here. So yes, look at the screen what we have today. Complete revision of sequence and series. Obviously, it's a PYQ session here. So आज फिर से हमारे पास काफी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, काफी ज्यादा कलेक्शन है क्वेश्चन का. सो जैसे कि हम बात कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पर आपको एपी, जीपी और एचपी भी मिलता है, करेक्ट. बट एचपी आपका मेन से हट चुका है. सो हम सिर्फ किस पे फोकस करेंगे, किस पे कंसीडर करेंगे? एपी और जीपी पर. ओके. सो आपके पास कुछ प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, जैसे कि आप कह सकते हैं लेटेस्ट क्वेश्चन भी है और काफी पुराने क्वेश्चन भी मिलेंगे. तो ऐसा सेट है आपके पास कि सब कुछ कवर होगा आपका. यस, काफी मॉडरेट चलेंगे, थोड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन करेंगे और फिर धीरे धीरे लेवल बढ़ता जाएगा. ऑलराइट, विजिबल एंड ऑडिबल. ओके आर्या. Okay, okay, Anushka. Thank you so much for confirmation. Okay, Arya, thank you so much. So, yes, first of all, before we start the session here, we have a few things to discuss here. This is about myself. Yes, have experience more than 6 years. Mentored 10,000 plus aspirant and obviously specialist in mathematics here. So, take a look here. What we have right now. The very important thing. Take a look here. The 3 important applications we have already discussed earlier as well. So you have to simply download all 3 applications: Embibe VLE app, Embibe app, and Embibe Lens app. Correct? Yes. So in Embibe Lens app, you know the feature here. You have to simply click the picture, and you can easily see what the 3D visualization. Okay. All right. Now, what next we have here? Obviously, whenever you have a doubt, simply come to our channel here, the Telegram channel as well as doubt resolution WhatsApp channel here. So after the session, you will get every content there. It is available, simply available. So the link is already given in a description box here. So just try to connect it. Okay. Yes, try to connect it. Telegram as well as in WhatsApp. Okay. Now focus on next year. So Drona batch here. So as you all know that the batch is started from 8 January. So look at the timetable one more time here. Yes, if we talk about the mathematics here on an application, on Embibe application here. Yes, it's 6 p.m. on Tuesday, 6 p.m. on Friday. That's the complete mathematics we will get here. And yes, even Saturday we have here the 3 p.m. And then if we talk about YouTube as well here. Okay. Yes, on a YouTube as well here. So take a look here on Monday, that is 2 p.m. and then Wednesday 3 p.m. Yes, again Thursday 2 p.m. Correct. So kindly note it down here. So we will get complete thing is there, like ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम यहाँ पे PYQs कवर करेंगे और कुछ ट्रिक्स वगैरह भी बताएंगे आपको. काफी कम दिन बचे हुए हैं, so don't worry about it. All right. Now take a look at the first question here. But before we start the question here, थोड़ी सी सीरीज है यहाँ पे, कुछ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं जो आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. ऑब्वियसली एक्सपोनेंशियल के टर्म में है, आप इसे नोट भी कर सकते हैं. यस, द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, ओके, ये आपको पहले से ही पता होगा, e raised to power x, e raised to power minus x, द एक्सपांशन, और आप उसे कैसे लिख सकते हैं. यस, वंस वी अप्लाई द समेशन एज वेल, e raised to power x सीरीज भी आपके पास. यस, वंस वी ऐड e raised to power x and e raised to power minus x, what we get here. Once we subtract here, what we get here. Now look at it, in e raised to power x, in e raised to power x here, if we substitute x equal to 1, so what we get here, like 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial and so on up to the infinity term here. And once we collect here, it will looks like that, like summation, or we can say sigma as well, n equal to 0 to infinite 1 by n factorial is equal to what? It is equal to e here, which is very very important. Remember, yes, काफी important है, ध्यान रखना इस चीज को. Okay, so take a look here. The first question we have here, as we have discussed, थोड़ा लो लेवल से चलते हैं. यस, थोड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन करते हैं. एंड रिमेंबर, ये सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन आपके PYQs हैं. यस, सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन आपके जेई में आ चुके हैं. सो लेट्स टेक अ लुक हियर. द फर्स्ट वन हियर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. 5 number are in AP, arithmetic progression, whose sum is 25 and product is given, that is 2520. If one of those 5 number is minus 1 by 2, find the greatest number, find the largest number here. Okay, any idea how do we solve? Anyone? All right, so we have to first of all what? First of all, we need to consider 5 number, those are in AP. Okay, so let's take a look here. How do we solve this type of question here? Any idea, anyone? Okay, so take a look here. I just consider it should be a plus 4d, a minus 4d, correct? Small a, and then a minus d, a plus d. Now, how many we have here? Total 5 here. Now, according to the sum, it is very easy to calculate here, like whose sum is 25 here. Once we add all this sum, what we get here? Yes, we need to add it. It is very easy. Okay, I have to do this step here. A plus 4d. Okay, Anushka. All right. A minus 4d added to a minus d. Okay. And the last one, a plus d. Again, I have wrote it. A plus d. The sum is 25 here. Now, plus 4d minus 4d will cancel out. Plus d minus d will cancel out. How many a's are there? Total 5a. 5a is 25. So we get what? A is 5 here. So we get the value of a, that is 5. Done. Now, what next? What will be the next? Okay, Naman. All right. Yes, this is the first question. All right, Bhupi. Okay. Yes, we get a is equal to 5 here. Now, one more information is given there. Once we find the product, what we get here? 2520. So let's do it. A plus 4d multiply by a minus 4d into a minus d and a plus d. Now try to multiply. Okay, here we can apply what? The identity a square minus b square. So that should be what? A square minus 16d square. And the next is what? A minus d, a plus d. A square minus d square into a, which is equal to 2520. Okay, just substitute the value of a here. It will become very easy. Just try to substitute the value of a here. It will become easy. Once we put down the value of a, what we get here? All right, take a look here. So a is 5. That should be what? 25 minus 16d square and 25 minus d square, which is equal to 2520 divided by a, that should be divided by 5 here, or 25 minus 16d square, 25 minus d square is equal to what? 504. Now focus on a equation. Okay, we can also write this equation like 16d square minus 25 and d square minus 25 is equal to 504 here. Now it looks like a quadratic or biquadratic. Exactly, it is biquadratic. So it has total how many roots? we know that we have a total 4 roots are there. So anyone know that what are those roots here? Yes, कौन से roots हो सकते हैं यहाँ पे? You can find it out. Okay, so I have to just simply write down those roots there. D should be what? Plus minus 1 or plus minus 11 by 2. So which one we have to consider? So we have A as well as D here. Now if we substitute 1 or minus 1, can we get any one of term is minus half? अगर आपने D का वैल्यू +1 या -1 आप रखते हैं, क्या आपको इन 5 टर्म में कोई एक भी टर्म -1/2 मिलता है? यस और नो? ओके नमन, ऑल राइट. एनीवन? टेक योर टाइम ऑल ऑफ यू. सो इजी एंड सिंपल. नो आइडिया? Okay, no, we cannot get the value. Once we substitute +1 or -1, we cannot get the any term -1/2. So go with 11/2 here. Okay, Naman, no worry. It's calculating, we know that. So go with 11/2 here. Once we substitute 11/2 or A is 5, you will get the answer. Clear? Yes. So we have a A is +5 and D is 11/2. And what will be the greatest term? Yes, I will have to write down the answer. It should be 16. If you get the 16, it will be the correct. Clear? Noted and done? Okay. So it's time to do the next part. The next question. Question number 2 here. Focus on a board here. Question number 2. All of you. Take a look here. Different APs are constructed with a first term and a last term. An integral common difference is the sum of the common difference of all APs at least 3 term and at most 3 term. Important question is how do we solve it here? Different AP बनाई गई है, फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म गिवन है, और कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होगा? सम ऑफ द कॉमन डिफरेंस. कॉमन डिफरेंस यहाँ पे गिवन है कि सम होगा कॉमन डिफरेंस का वो AP जिसका लीस्ट टर्म थर्ड टर्म होगा, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा उसमें 3 टर्म होंगे और कम से कम नहीं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 33 और कम से कम 3 टर्म. क्लियर? ओके, सो हाउ डू वी सॉल्व इट? एनी आइडिया? एनीबॉडी? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करें, जो डिटेल्स है वो आपको वो लिखना स्टार्ट करें. लाइक अ फर्स्ट टर्म वी हैव टू, इट्स एपी, सो लेट्स स्मॉल ए. यस, फर्स्ट टर्म इज मिसिंग देयर. यस, फर्स्ट टर्म इज 100 here. यहाँ पे आप 100 लिख लेना, रिमेंबर. So first term is 100 and the last term is given here. I have to mention here an or just write down last term. That should be 199. Correct? Okay. Now last term को और आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? A plus n minus 1d. Yes, either we can write here A plus n minus 1d, or try to find the value of d in terms of n. D we can get here 99 by n minus 1. Yes, why 99? Because we have a value of A here, that is 100. Okay, so once we substitute the value of A is 100, we will get D here, that is 99 by n minus 1. Clear? All right. Okay. Now what do you think about D here? D must be integer. D आपका integer होना चाहिए. Yes. And what do you think about the small n? About the small n, the value is already given here. Yes, it should be between 3 and 33 here. So if we focus on n minus 1, what do you conclude here? N minus 1 is nothing but must be multiple of either 3 or 11. Correct? How 100? It is misprint there, Naman. वहां पे 100 मिस था. Okay, you have to just write it down. The first term 100 here. Question में वहां पे 100 है. Remember. So what do you think here? If we substitute n equal to 4, अगर आप n 4 पुट करते हैं तो what we get the value of d here? Yes, 99 by 3 n minus 1, that should be what, 33. Now if we substitute n equal to 10, what we get here, 10 minus 1, that is 9. Yes, 99 by 9, it should be 11. One more, n is equal to 12, that is 11. So d is what, 99 by 11, that should be 9. Is there any other value which will satisfy? Yes, between 3 to 33. Any value? None. So what will be the final answer? Sum of all the common difference here, sum of all the common differences, that should be what, 33 plus 11 plus 9. 53 is the right answer. Done. Clear? Easy. Any confusion, you can ask me. Okay. Yes, Anushka, Naman, all of you noted in done. All right. Moving on next here. काफी अच्छा क्वेश्चन था. Let's take a look here the next part. The next question, question number 3 here. Okay, take a look here. The number of terms common to two APs. दो AP में कितने terms common होंगे? Any idea? Sir, how do we increase the mock test mark? All right, Arya, just try to do the question. Okay, mock test. अब जैसे कि आपने कोई mock test दिया है, ओके, सो उसको बैठकर उसके बाद जितना भी उसे एनालाइज करना, वो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. एग्जैक्टली, एनालाइज करना बहुत जरूरी है. किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में एरर आ रहा है आपसे, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आपसे नहीं हो पा रहे, उसे रिवाइज करना है. लाइक दैट. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ टेक अ लुक हियर. सो आपके पास दो एपी है यहां पे. ओके, यस, सो ट्राई टू नोट इट डाउन हियर ऑल ऑफ यू. द फर्स्ट वन, सबसे पहले एपी हम लिखते हैं यहां पे 3, 7, 11 एंड सो ऑन. ओके, आई जस्ट नेम इट हियर S1. करेक्ट, ये आपका फर्स्ट सीरीज है. सो व्हाट यू कंक्लूड हियर? डिफरेंस. यस आर्या, सेम थिंग. ठीक है, 160, 170, नो इशू. बट करना क्या होता है कि टेस्ट के बाद, मॉक टेस्ट के बाद आपको उसे एनालाइज करना है कि आप कौन से टाइप की या कौन से टॉपिक आपसे मिस हो रहे हैं, कहां पे गलती हो रही है. एनालाइज करना बहुत जरूरी है. ऑब्वियसली मैं जानता हूं थोड़ा लेंदी होता है पेपर, बट अगर आप 5-6 सेट एनालाइज कर लेंगे, यस डेफिनेटली आपका अच्छा काम हो जाएगा, वहां पे काफी अच्छे से हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी. ओके आशीष, नो इशू. ऑल राइट अनुष्का, सो क्विक, सो क्विक. ओके, सो आपके पास फर्स्ट सीरीज है, दैट इज 3, 7 एंड 11 हियर. ओके, डिफरेंस यहाँ पे काफी इजीली हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. दैट शुड बी +4 हियर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे मैं कॉमन डिफरेंस जो फर्स्ट सीरीज का है D1, उसे 4 लिख सकता हूँ. नाउ फोकस ऑन द नेक्स्ट वन हियर, द नेक्स्ट पार्ट S2. दैट शुड बी व्हाट, 2, 9, 16. ओके, लास्ट टाइम यहाँ पे गिवन है, रिमेंबर 407, सो डोंट कंफ्यूज. 709, यहाँ पे डिफरेंस क्या होगा? एनी आइडिया? D2, 2 to 9, 7 का डिफरेंस है. ओके, सो आपके पास दो सीरीज है यहाँ पे. उसके लिए कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं लगाना है, बस आपको ध्यान से देखना है कि कौन सा फर्स्ट टर्म कॉमन आएगा यहाँ पे. ऑल राइट आर्या, सो क्विक, एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट, काफी अच्छा लगा. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. ओके, लेट मी डू दैट फर्स्ट. सो यस, 23, समवन रिटर्न देयर. ओके अनुष्का, एक्सीलेंट. 23 आपका फर्स्ट कॉमन टर्म होगा. ओके, कॉमन एपी की अगर हम बात करें कॉमन टर्म में, सो 23 सबसे पहले कॉमन आएगा, लाइक दैट. ओके, उसके बाद कौन सा टर्म होगा? 28 विल बी द कॉमन डिफरेंसेस. एग्जैक्टली. सो अगर आप कॉमन टर्म से कोई सीक्वेंस बनाते हैं तो उसके लिए कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होगा? इन दोनों का एलसीएम. करेक्ट, एग्जैक्टली. वी नीड टू फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ D1 एंड D2, दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 28 हियर. इजी हो गया. यस, सो बस आपको क्या करना है, 28 ऐड करना है. वी विल गेट द नेक्स्ट टर्म, दैट इज व्हाट, 51. अब आपको फाइंड नहीं करना बार बार, Again, if we add 28, what we get here? 7, 9 and so on here. Okay, यहां तक तो ठीक है. What will be the last term? Last common term क्या होगा? Any idea? Okay, yes, last common term क्या हो सकता है? Last common term, अगर आप इसका लास्ट टर्म देखें that is 407 और यहां पे लास्ट टर्म देखें that is 709. So लास्ट टर्म क्या हो सकता है? लास्ट टर्म 407 से कम होगा. Is it? Yes, if we write it down, last term, it is nothing but minimum of 407 and 709. Correct? Exactly. Now, what we need to calculate here? Number of common term. That small n, not greater than 407. Excellent. Excellent approach. Well done. Yes. काफी correct कर रहे हैं आप लोग. Very good. Very good. So, what is the nth term here? That should be, we have to write down like nth term is nothing but it must be like a less than or equal to 407. We don't know about it. Apply formula a plus n minus 1d less or equal to 407. Yes, what is a here? 23. N minus 1, we don't know. And a is 28. Less than equal to 407 here. Correct? Or if we simplify, what we get here? N minus 1 less than equal to 13.7. Or n is less than equal to 14.7. That should be what? 14 is the integer. Obviously, we have a integer. Yes, number of term integer होते हैं, complete number होते हैं. Remember? Yes. कभी आपने ऐसे देखा है 1.5 term? No, never. So just note it down, all of you here. 14 is the right answer. Correct answer. Excellent, Arya. Very good. Anushka. Well done. Well done. Yes. Very good approach. Absolutely brilliant here. All right. Try to note it down, all of you. Then we will do few more question. Easy है? Yes, काफी easy. इसी टाइप के आने, कुछ भी इसमें कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं सोचना है. Okay? All right. Take a look here. The next part. The next question. Question number 4. So let A1, A2 dot 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 A21. Yes, all these terms are in AP such that summation n equal to 1 to 20, 1 by an. Yes, we have a multiplication, remember. An plus 1 is equal to 4 by 9. If the sum of these AP is 189, remember, the sum is already given here. It is 189. Okay. Then what we need to calculate here? A6 multiply by A16. Okay. Any idea? How do we solve? Yes. कैसे अप्रोच करें ऐसे क्वेश्चन में? थोड़ा सा लेवल अप हो चुका है. ओके. यस, काफी इजी क्वेश्चंस हमने कर लिए. ओके. ये भी कुछ ज्यादा इतना टफ है नहीं, बस आपको सोचना है थोड़ा सा. एक छोटा सा ट्रिक है और आपका क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होगा डेफिनेटली. ऑलराइट, टेक अ लुक हियर. सो वी हैव अ समेशन, करेक्ट? Okay, we have a summation that is n equal to 1 to 20, 1 by an and an plus 1. Clear? Now try to open it. DC multiply, DC divide. Okay, so smart, so smart. All right. Now we need to apply here what? Yes, yes, first term is always small a, we have to consider, but आप यहाँ पे a1 भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so if we substitute 1 here, what we get here? 1 by a1 a2 plus 1 by a2 a3 plus 1 by a3 a4, yes, and so on, 1 by a20 a21. Done. So yes, इसके बाद क्या करना है? Okay, अनुष्का, D से multiply and divide. Obviously, we need to create a difference. Yes, ऐसे क्वेश्चन में कैसे अप्रोच करें? आपको न्यूमरेटर में डिफरेंस को क्रिएट करना है. सिंपल, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई डिफरेंस इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिफरेंस इन डिनोमिनेटर. करेक्ट? ओके, 1 by d को तो आप एक साइड लिख सकते हैं, टिक दैट, 1 by d. नाउ इन न्यूमरेटर, ये डी जो न्यूमरेटर में हर एक टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, ओके, न्यूमरेटर में आपका क्या होगा, डी बाई ए वन ए टू, डी बाई ए टू ए थ्री, डी बाई ए थ्री ए फोर एंड सो ऑन, डी बाई ए ट्वेंटी वन हियर. सो अब आपको जो डी है, डी होता क्या है एक्चुअली इन एपी, डिफरेंस. व्हाट इज डिफरेंस हियर, सेकंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म. यस, सेकंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म, करेक्ट, आपको डिफरेंस मिल जाएगा. या आप ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि किसी भी दो सक्सेसिव टर्म के बीच का डिफरेंस, दैट इज कॉमन डिफरेंस. यस, एग्जैक्टली. सो आप यहां पे अगर यहां पे d आता है, सपोज लाइक वी हैव अ d by a1 in a2, so we can represent d like what, a2 minus a1 by a1 a2. Here a3 minus a2 by a2 a3, and then a4 minus a3 by a3 a4 and so on. Look at the last one, a21 minus a20 divided by a20 a21 bracket closed. Now what next, the next step. Okay, all right, now focus on the next step here. What we need to do here, just do the simple calculation. आपको बस divide and multiply करना है. What we get here, yes, once we solve 1 by a1, correct, a2 will cancel out, 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2 added to 1 by a2 minus 1 by a3 added to, yes, 1 by a3 minus 1 by a4 and so on. Yes, at last what we get here, 1 by a20 minus 1 by a21 bracket close here. Easy. Yes, अब ब्रैकेट में काफी कुछ टर्म आपकी कैंसिल आउट हो रहे हैं. Is it? Exactly, just cancel out. These terms will cancel out. What left here? Only two terms. 1 by d, yes, 1 by a1 minus 1 by a21 here. Clear? Yes, and remember this whole value is equal to 4 by 9. Remember, okay, don't confuse. ये सारी वैल्यू आपकी 4 by 9 के इक्वल होगी. All right, Arya. Okay, Anushka. Let me check. So ये आपके आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. Okay, clear. Now try to simplify. Here what we have right now. So अभी आपके पास क्या बचता है, 1 by d, 1 by a1 minus 1 by a21 bracket close, that is 4 by 9 here. Or we can say that what, 1 by d time a21 minus a1 divided by a1 a21 here. Now we need to replace some value, some substitution we need to apply here. Okay, 21th term, if we need to calculate 21th term, अगर आपको 21वां टर्म निकालना है, 21th term आप कैसे निकालेंगे, a plus n minus 1d, remember, so just apply plus 20d, or a21 minus a1 is equal to what, that is 20d, correct. Now try to just substitute here. So at the numerator, like 1 by d as it is, a21 minus a1, 20d divided by a1 a21, which is equal to 4 by 9. Remember, don't forget. Yes, once we cancel out, what we get here, a1 into a21 is equal to 45. That is equation number 1. Clear? Easy. Okay, now one more detail is already given here, the sum of Sn of 21 term. It is already given. Yes, that is 189. And how do we represent? N by 2 first term plus last term is equal to 189. Easy. Or we can say that like a1 plus a21 is equal to 18. That is the second equation here. Now we need to solve equation 1 and 2. How do we get the answer? Any idea? D is 3 by 5, A is 3. Okay, all right, so quick. Absolutely correct here, absolutely correct. Okay, again I have to write down 21th term here, so that should be what here? It should be like a plus n minus 1d, correct? Plus 21 minus 1d is equal to 15. Now try to substitute here. That should be what? 3 plus 20d is equal to 15 here. And once we solve, we get d is 3 by 5. Now if d is 3 by 5 here, what will be the sixth term? A plus 5d. That is 3 plus 5 times 3 by 5. Cancel out 5, 5. What we get here? That is 6 here. And what is a 16th term? A plus 15d. 3 by 5. Cancel out 12. Now we need to calculate a6 into a16. So 12 6 are 72 is the answer. Done. Okay. Exactly, Arya. Yes, Anushka. Very good. Digital. Excellent. Excellent. Digital YT. Very good. Very good. All of you given the right answer. That's brilliant. Well done, students. Very good. Six by 10 from, since the equation is a plus 9d, a plus 10d is equal to 9. Very good. Okay, Anushka. All right. I hope all of you understand. Okay, okay, Arya. Yes, all of you clear? Okay. Time to do the next part here. Again, one of the easiest question. काफी easy question है आपके सामने. Yes, do it quickly. So easy and simple. Yes. Third term of GP is given. It's 4. GP का third term आपको पता है, that is 4. Find the product of first 5 term of GP. First 5 term of GP. Take your time. काफी इजी क्वेश्चन है. यस, आप 30 सेकेंड ले सकते हैं इसके लिए. काफी इजी क्वेश्चन है. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 30 सेकेंड. ओके अनुष्का. ऑल राइट. 16. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? थिंक अबाउट इट. सो इजी. थर्ड टर्म आपको पता है एंड फर्स्ट 5 टर्म के प्रोडक्ट आपको फाइंड करने हैं. ओके आर्या. 4⁵. Let me check. All right, digital YT world 16. Okay, okay. Let me try here. So, like पहले हम 3 टर्म की बात कर लेते हैं. सिंपल सा, like if we have a ABC in a GP, correct? अगर ABC GP में होते हैं, so what you conclude here? Square of a middle term is equal to product of first and last term, like that. Like B square is equal to what? AC here. Okay, Arya. 1024. That is 4⁵. Okay, let me check here. So B square is equal to AC here. Similarly, like if we have what? If we have a 5 term in GP, like we need to just write down A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 here. Can you consider if we take first and last value, correct? First and last here, like A1 and A5, something like that. Like first and last term, once we multiply, it is equal to the square of the middle term. Same thing we need to apply here, like A1 into A5 is equal to what? Which one is the middle term here? That is A3. So can we write A3 square? Done. Or what you get if we have to rewrite the series again here, like अगर आप अब सिर्फ A2, A3 और A4 को कंसीडर करें, again we can apply like A2 into A4 is nothing but A3 square. Yes. So हमने यहाँ पे रिलेशन जनरेट कर लिया. Now multiply all these term, सभी को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ओके. A1 times A2 times A3 times A4 times 8/5. Now A1 into A2, it is A3 square. It is A3 as well. And A2 into A4, it is also A3 square. So what we get here? Any idea? A3 raised to power 5. The third term is 4 raised to power 5. That is what? 2 raised to power 10. 1024 is the right answer. Excellent. Yes, yes, Arya, that is correct. All right, digital YT world. Very good. Very good. Just note it down. So easy and simple. Yes, very easy. Any doubt? Any confusion? You can ask me one more time. Clear? काफी इजी है. यस. सो कैसे अप्रोच से आप जाते हैं ये डिपेंड करता है आप कैसे इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं. करेक्ट. अगर आप जनरल टर्म लिखते हैं यहाँ पे बैठ के ए आर स्क्वायर ए आर क्यूब लाइक दैट 5 टर्म, फिर आप थर्ड टर्म को वहां पे 4 कंसीडर करते लाइक दैट. ओके अनुष्का, ऑल राइट, नो वरी, नो वरी. ठीक है रुकिए. सो क्वेश्चन काफी ठीक है. लाइक थर्ड टर्म आपको पता है जीपी का और फर्स्ट 5 टर्म के प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करना था आपको बस. क्लियर ना. ठीक है रुकिए. द नेक्स्ट वन अगेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्या आप इसे कर सकते हैं? 30 सेकेंड इज इनफ फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 raised to power 1 by 4, 4 raised to power 1 by 16, 8 raised to power 1 by 48 and so on. yes, काफी इजी क्वेश्चन है. टेक योर टाइम ऑल ऑफ यू. टेक योर टाइम. ओके, आई जस्ट गिव यू हिंट हियर. सभी को चेंज करना है किसमें? यस, सबका बेस इक्वल करना है. यू विल गेट द आंसर. काफी इजी है. बस बेस इक्वल करना है. आपके सामने आपका आंसर होगा. टेक योर टाइम ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, एनीवन, एनी आइडिया? थिंक अबाउट इट ऑल ऑफ यू. ऑलराइट, लेट मी सॉल्व. सो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? Like we have a 2 raised to power 1 by 4 here, correct? Then we have a 4 raised to power 1 by 16. What is 4 here? Obviously 2 raised to power 2. And then, yes, we can easily find the product of the power here. Okay, Anushka, all right. So you directly find the answer, that is square root of 2. Okay, Arya. All right. 2 whole 1 by 2 or it is 21 by 2? Okay, 2 raised to power 1 by 2. Okay, okay, Arya. All right. Next one, 2 raised to power 3 time 1 by 48, 2 raised to power 4 time 1 by 128 here. Yes, 3 term is enough to know the nature of the series here. Now 2 raised to power 1 by 4, write down as it is. Okay, digital. Cancel out. What we get here? 2 raised to power 1 by 8. Then 2 raised to power 1 by 16. All right. Okay, and so on here up to the infinity here. Now we have a same base, so we need to simply add the exponent. 2 raised to power 1 by 4 added to 1 by 8 added to 1 by 16 and so on up to the infinity here. Okay, all right. What we get if we solve this part? Yes, look at the sequence here, look at the series here. So easy. ओके, एक्सपोनेंट है आपका जो वो कैसा बिहेव कर रहा है, कौन सा सीरीज है? दैट इज जीपी. 1 by 4, 1 by 8 प्लस 1 by 16. कैसे पता चला ये जीपी है? यस, द कॉमन रेशियो आर इक्वली अप. सो सिंपली इस क्वेश्चन में आपको करना क्या था? जस्ट वी नीड टू फाइंड व्हाट? सम ऑफ जीपी, इनफिनाइट टर्म, सम ऑफ जीपी. क्या होता है फॉर्मूला? वी नो दैट. यस, a by 1 minus r here, correct? What is a here? 1 by 4. What is r here? Common ratio 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2 here. Try to solve it. What we get? 1 by 2 here. So what will be the final answer here? The final answer is 2 raised to power 1 by 2 is the correct one. Okay, many of you given the right answer. Anushka, Arya, Digital, YT. Very good, very good. Yes, all of you given the right answer. Excellent. Exactly, that is correct here. Okay, all clear? Just note it down, each and everyone. Can you note it down? Okay, Arya. Yes. Next question. Again. Next part is again one of the easiest question we have here. Yes. Find the sum of the first 20 term. काफी बार आपने देखा होगा इसे आपकी एनसीईआरटी में, आरडी में, हर जगह देखा होगा इसे. ऑब्वियसली यू कैन डू इट ऑल ऑफ यू. काफी इजी क्वेश्चन है ये, सबसे हो जाएगा. यस और नो? इज इट क्लियर? क्या आप सभी से हो सकता है क्वेश्चन? यस. डिजिटल, आर्या, अनुष्का, इजी क्वेश्चन, क्या आप कर सकते हैं? You can take as an homework here. Yes or no? Simple सा hint है यहाँ पे. Simple सा hint है. 0.7 is nothing but what? 7 by 10. Then what we have here? 77 by 100. Then 777 by 1000 and so on up to 20 term. Remember. So we need to find the sum here. Yes, only Anushka say yes here. All right, what about the rest of you here? Okay, so yes, take something common in the numerator. We will get 7 common. We get 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus not 1 by, it's 11 by, then we have a triple 1 by 1000 plus and so on. Okay, what next here? Remember ऐसे क्वेश्चन को किस तरह करते थे? Divide by 9 and then multiply by 9 here up to 20 term. Remember, okay, 20 term तक आपको लिखना है यहाँ पे. All right, Arya. So you have written the answer. Yes, yes, digital white. It's so easy. इसके आगे आप कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं, काफी इजी है. Yes, अगेन आपको डिफरेंस जनरेट करना है. अभी हमने इस टाइप का किया था, लाइक 9 could be written 10 minus 1, 99 आप 100 minus 1 लिखेंगे इसे. Yes, 9000 minus 1 and so on up to 20 term here. Okay, 7 by 81, then bracket 179 plus 10 raised to the power minus 20. That is correct answer. Absolutely brilliant. Yes, ये आपका correct answer है. Well done. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes, that is correct answer. 7 by 81, 179 added to 10 raised to the power minus 20. ये आपका correct answer है. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो आप इसके आगे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, काफी इजी कैलकुलेशन है. यस, ये भी आया हुआ है. कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं, कितने इजी आते हैं. ओके, सो अब आपका थोड़ा सा लेवल बढ़ाते हैं, थोड़ा सा मिसलेनियस टाइप के क्वेश्चन करते हैं. यस, जो काफी बार आए हुए हैं. टेक अ लुक हियर. आप इसे कह सकते हैं कि हाँ थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है, बस सोचना पड़ता है यहाँ पे. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो टेक अ लुक एट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर. फाइंड द सम 1 plus 6 plus 9 times 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square divided by 7. Then 12 by 9, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 4 square. Then we have a 15 by 11. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on up to 5 square. And so on up to 15 term we have here. Yes, आपके पास 15 term है. So how do we find the sum here? Any idea? किसी को पता है कैसे solve करिए ऐसे questions को? Anybody? Okay, so in this type of a particular question, what we need to do here, we need to find general term. Yes, आपको क्या फाइंड करना होता है यहाँ पे? जनरल टर्म या RF टर्म. यस, बट जनरल टर्म फाइंड कैसे करें? एनी आइडिया? सो लुक एट द कांस्टेंट हियर. यस, फर्स्ट टर्म को अभी इग्नोर कर सकते हैं. लाइक वी हैव अ 6, देन 9 एंड 12, then 15 and so on here. Like if you focus on a 9, 12 and 15 as only 9, 12 and 15. Yes, RF term. Exactly, digital. आपको RF term यहाँ पे find करना है. Now we have a 9, 12 and 15 here. How should we do that? Any idea? Yes, okay, I have to write it down here. PR, that is RF term. Yes, so 9, 12, 15, they all are the multiple, like 6 as well here. They all are the multiple of 3 here, correct? So can we write 3 R? Yes, then we have a bracket here. Inside the bracket, look at the number. It 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on. Keep going here. So can we write like 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to R square, correct? Now at the denominator, what should we have to write? What kind of a number we have here? Like 7, then 9, then 11 here. It's an odd number. Yes, odd number. So can we write 2r plus 1? That is the odd number, 2r plus 1 here. Now apply summation. Exactly. Apply summation, or we can say sigma. Yes, Arya, that is correct. 2n plus 1 here. So once we try to apply the summation here, so focus here, r should be 1 to 15, because we need to find the term here. 15 here, r should be 1 to 15. Tr is equal to what? 3 is constant. Yes, at the numerator 3 is constant, so we cannot apply here. So 3 is constant here, just write it down here. Summation r equal to 1 to 15. That is what? R divided by 2r plus 1. And then inside the bracket we have what? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on up to r square. Now look at inside the bracket here. This term can be simplified. Yes, आप इसे simplify कर सकते हैं. Sum of a square of a number. Anyone know that? n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, digital. All right. Let me check here. So that should be 3 times sigma. R is equal to 1 to 15, or some say summation as well. R by 2r plus 1 into, yes. So sum of square of a number. Sum of square of a number. Yes, I just told you. n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Correct? Few terms will be cancelled out. 2r plus 1 and 2r plus 1 will be cancelled out. And this is nothing but the constant here. So we can write down outside the constant here. 1 by 2. What left? Sigma r is equal to 1 to 15. Correct? We have r cube plus 1. Like that? Yes. R cube plus r square. R cube plus r square. Done. But 2n plus 1, we don't have a second term denominator matching here. Okay, Anushka, let me check here. So what will be the second term here? R should be 1 to 15 here. If you put down r equal to 1, can we get the first one? If you have a r equal to 1 here, 3 cancel out. Obviously, we will get the answer. Yes, it's matching, Anushka. Try to use one more time. It's matching. Now, summation r equal to 1 to 15 here, we have a r cube plus r square. Exactly, digital. No worry. Some calculation is there. Okay, r cube. But यहाँ पे limit क्या है? R equal to 1 to 15 here. Sum of cubic number. Any idea? n plus 1 by 2 whole square. It's okay, Anushka, no worry. Yes, n plus 1 by 2 whole square. n जा कहाँ तक रहा है? कितना लिमिट है यहाँ पे? 15. So that should be what? 15. Yes, 15 plus 1, 16 by 2 whole of square. Plus the next one. Square of a number. n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. And है कितना? 15. So n plus 1, that is 16, and 2n plus 1, 31 whole divided by 6. Now try to simplify. You will get the answer. Okay, 7820. Okay, 15 times 16 by 2. अगर आप इसे solve करते हैं, 2 8s are 15 8s are 4414400. And the last one we can easily cancel out as well. 3 2s are 3 5s are and 2 8s are. Once we cancel out, we get 1240. Now just add it and do the half of it. Excellent answer. Yes, that is correct. Well done. That is 7820 is the right answer. Final answer. Very very good. Yes. So calculation भी काफी अच्छा चल रहा है. Very good. Absolutely brilliant. Yes, just note it down, all of you. Then we will do the next one. Clear? Okay, Anushka. All right. Now, take a look at the next one. The next part, what we have here. The next question. Again. Yes, घबराना नहीं है. काफी easy question है. Just focus on a RF term and you will get the answer so quickly. आपको बस RF term पे focus करना है. You will get the answer. Okay, आर्या. Yes, yes. काफी अच्छी question है अभी हमारे पास. अभी बहुत से question बचे हुए हैं. Okay. So just take a look here. One by one. Question number 10. Think about it. How do we solve? Question number 10. Any idea? Anyone? 2 cube minus 1 cube divided by 1 times 7 plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 2 cube minus 1 cube divided by 2 into 11 plus 6 cube minus 5 cube minus 4 cube minus 3 cube minus 2 cube minus 1 cube divided by 3 into 15. Okay, आगे की टर्म्स अगर आप देख रहे हैं तो nth टर्म फाइंड करना काफी टफ हो जा रहा है. Yes, can you guess rth term or nth term? Any idea? क्या आ सकता है? Okay, just focus on the first term here. First term लेते हैं. Okay? Yes, आप यहाँ से guess कर सकते हैं the rth term here. Like we have a 2 cube, then 4 cube minus 3 cube, then and so on here. Any idea? Like just write it down here. The rth term here. Correct? So it's like a 2, then 4, then 6 and so on here. ये कुछ आपको even number दिख रहा है ना? Yes, exactly, even number ही है. So we can write it down what? 2r whole cube. Clear? Easy? Now minus 3. Then we have a 1 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube and so on here. Yes, it's an odd number. Can we write here? 2r minus 1 whole cube here. Now we need to apply the summation as well here. अगर आप summation की value apply कर सकते हैं, so from like a limit क्या हो सकती है? Any idea? From 1 to n? Yes, exactly. R should be 1 to n. Okay. All right. Focus on next here. Yes, is आप 2r plus 1 क्या वहां पे करेंगे तो क्या आपका आंसर आएगा? Then limit will be changed here, like 0 to n हो जाएगा, like that. Okay? Yes, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना क्योंकि एक क्वेश्चन में आपने 2r plus 1 लिखा है ऑड के लिए, यहाँ पे 2r minus 1 लिखा है. So लिमिट से वैरी करेगा, remember. Okay? Like 2r plus 1, so we have to just start from 0 to n. Clear? Okay, take a look here. Now look at the denominator. 1 times 7, 2 times 11, 3 times 15, and 15 times and so on here. जो डिनोमिनेटर का टर्म है उसे कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? Any idea? Like 1, 2, 3 and so on here. So we can write down here n as it is. Then focus on the next term here. 7, 11, 15. Yes, 7, 11, 15. 7, 11, 15 में क्या कर सकते हैं? क्या एक AP है? +4 and +4, obviously it's a AP. इसका nth टर्म आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं. 4n plus 3. Yes, Anushka. Absolutely correct here. Now at the numerator में जो आपका लिमिट एज जो आपका समेशन है वो कॉमन ले सकते हैं. Yes, because दोनों का लिमिट सेम है. So we can just write it down one time. Summation r equal to 1 to n. Here we get what? We will get 2r cube minus sign 2r minus 1 cube and then whole divided by n time 4n plus 3. Apply what? a cube minus b cube या डायरेक्टली सीधे सिंपली ओपन करते हैं इसे. ओके, इतना ज्यादा a cube minus b cube नहीं करना है यहाँ पे. Like r term is equal to what? Summation r equal to 1 to n here. Just write it down 8r cube as it is. Then what we have next here? Minus a minus b whole cube we need to apply here. A cube 8r cube minus b cube, that is 1, then minus 3ab, correct? That should be what? 3 times 2r square and then plus 3 times 2r minus 1. Okay, clear? Whole divided by n time 4n plus 3. Now try to simplify at the numerator here. What we get? Any idea? Once we simplify the numerator, yes, 8r cube will cancel out here. We get what? We will get 1 plus 12 r square minus 6r, and limit r equal to 1 to n whole divided by n time 4n plus 3. Clear? Just note it down. Anushka, you need to open it. Yes, you need to open it. Like a third term, once we solve it, you will get the exact value. Remember, 6 cube minus 5 cube minus 4 cube minus 3 cube and so on here. Like that. Okay, 6 cube minus 5 cube and then we have 4 cube minus 3 cube. Okay, they just club there. This term. Remember, we just remove it. This term. Clear? Okay, Akash. All right. Now focus on next here. So at the end, like आपके पास बचता क्या है यहाँ पे? Like we have summation r equal to 1 to n. At the numerator we have a 1 plus 12 r square minus 6 of r and whole divided by n time 4n plus 3 here. Okay, तो अब हम summation को apply करें numerator में. Yes. So what we have here, like summation 1, okay, limit सबका same है 1 to n. Remember, 12 is constant, summation r is square, minus 6 is constant, summation r divided by n time 4n plus 3. Clear? Okay. All right. Now try to solve here. What we get here? Summation 1 means like r equal to 1 to n है यहाँ पे और 1 constant है. So we have to write down the upper limit, that is n. Yes, that is the n here. Now plus 12 as it is summation of r square, sum of square of a number n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6 here. थोड़ा सा calculation है यहाँ पे. n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6, correct? Minus 6 times summation of a r, sum of a natural number, we can say that is what? n plus 1 by 2, correct? And whole divided by n 4n plus 3. Now we can cancel out here, easily eliminate here. There is constant 2 times and 3 times, like that here. So we can get like n plus, that is twice of n plus 1 to n plus 1 minus 3n n plus 1 and whole divided by which number? n time 4n plus 3 here. How do we solve here? Any guess, any idea? अभी और सिंप्लीफाई करना है इसे. फाइनल वैल्यू क्या आएगा? क्या कोई बता सकता है इसे सिंप्लीफाई करने पे क्या आ रहा है? n plus 2n n plus 1 2n plus 1 minus 3n n plus 1 whole divided by n 4n plus 3. Any idea? और सिंप्लीफाई होगा क्या? n plus 1 कॉमन आ सकता है यहाँ पे at the last. Yes. Okay, 947 by 63. All right, digital. Okay, let me check. So write on n, add it to n plus 1. I have to just take common from last two term here. So बचता क्या है यहाँ पे? Should be 4n and plus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3, that is what? 3 minus 2, 1. 4n plus 2 minus 3 whole divided by what? N time 4n plus 3. It should be n only. सिर्फ n बचता है, सिर्फ n. So finally आपको sum find करना है. N equal to 1 to 15, n, that should be what? n plus 1 by 2, 120 is the simplest answer. Yes. All right. 120 is the right answer, final answer. Clear? Just note it down. Okay. All right. एक और क्वेश्चन है आपके सामने. One more day. Okay, Mansi. That is correct. Yes, absolutely correct. Okay, digital. Okay. One more question. एक और क्वेश्चन काफी इंपॉर्टेंट, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन लग रहा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Summation k equal to 1 to 10 k by k raised to power 4 plus k square plus 1 is equal to m by n, where m and n are co-prime. Okay, then find the value of m plus n. Yeah. Co-prime number are those number which have 1 is a common factor, correct? जिसका SCF 1 होता है, वो दो नंबर जिनका हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर 1 होता है उन्हें आप को-प्राइम नंबर कहते हैं. यस, या कुछ भी कॉमन ना आ रहा हो उनके फैक्टर्स में अदर देन 1, दैट इज को-प्राइम नंबर. ओके डिजिटल, ऑल राइट. आर्या से लिटिल बिट लेंदी. हाँ आर्या थोड़ा सा लेंदी था, बट ठीक है, आते हैं कभी कभी इस टाइप के भी क्वेश्चन मिल जाते हैं. यस, बट आपको मार्क्स पूरे देखे जाते हैं. ओके, सो आपको सारे टाइप्स कवर कर लेने हैं. यही मैं पहले से भी बता रहा हूं कि आप जरूरी नहीं कि हाँ सारे ही क्वेश्चन आपको करना है, थोड़े से स्मार्ट वर्क कर सकते हैं आप. कौन से टाइप के क्वेश्चन आप लगा रहे हैं, क्या उस टाइप के सारे हो जा रहे हैं. लाइक अभी यहाँ पे कितना फास्ट कमेंट आया, लाइक फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ अ डिनोमिनेटर, लाइक इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आपने किए हैं, दैट मींस क्लियर. अगर आपने इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन किए हैं तो फिर बार बार आपको वही रिपीट नहीं करना है, नो वरी. सो टेक अ लुक हियर द सॉल्यूशन हियर. इंपॉर्टेंट वन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. सो अभी सिर्फ और सिर्फ फोकस करते हैं हम किस पे, केथ टर्म पे, जो कि आपका क्या है, k बाई k रेस्ट पावर 4 प्लस k स्क्वायर प्लस 1 हियर. ओके, m plus n is 166. ओके आर्या, ऑल राइट, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. सो अभी हमारे पास केथ टर्म है. नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट हियर, डिनोमिनेटर का फैक्टर करें, दैट इज व्हाट, k बाई, ओके, बाई क्वाड्रेटिक है, इसका फैक्टर आपको लर्न होना चाहिए, काफी इजी है. k स्क्वायर माइनस k प्लस 1, देन वी हैव k स्क्वायर प्लस k प्लस 1. क्लियर. नाउ हाउ डू वी सॉल्व दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सीरीज हियर. एक्चुअली जो भी आपका डिनोमिनेटर में होता है उसका डिफरेंस आपको न्यूमरेटर में बनाना चाहिए, करेक्ट. यस, डिनोमिनेटर की हेल्प से न्यूमरेटर में आपको डिफरेंस बनाना है. रिमेंबर, वी हैव अ टू टर्म एट द डिनोमिनेटर. यस, जस्ट फोकस ऑन द डिनोमिनेटर. ये कैसे करते हैं, अभी आपने किया क्या है, इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं, एक बार ऐड भी कर सकते हैं, नो वरी. सो जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर, लाइक k स्क्वायर माइनस k प्लस 1 और माइनस k स्क्वायर माइनस k minus 1 here. Once we try to subtract here, what we get here, these terms will cancel out here. So आपके पास बचता क्या है, माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ k here. That means आपको थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे एक आइडिया मिल चुका है कि हाँ न्यूमरेटर में आपको होना क्या चाहिए, 2k होना चाहिए वहां पे, बट है क्या, सिर्फ k, सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या है वहां पे, k है. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू हियर, ओके, 161. okay, let me check here. So pk is nothing but k by k square minus k plus 1 time k square plus k plus 1. okay, now once we just multiply by 2 both side, or like a numerator and denominator, like 2 times of tk, like that here. So अब आपका जो डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी टर्म है उसका डिफरेंस न्यूमरेटर में लिखा हुआ है, Yes, easy to calculate now. Okay, जो भी डिनोमिनेटर में लिखा हुआ है उसका डिफरेंस कहां पर है आप न्यूमरेटर में. सो हाउ डू वी राइट हियर? वेरी इजी एंड सिंपल यार. आप न्यूमरेटर को मैनिपुलेट करते हैं के स्क्वायर प्लस के प्लस 1 माइनस के स्क्वायर माइनस के प्लस 1 होल डिवाइडेड बाय के स्क्वायर माइनस के प्लस 1 and then k square plus k plus 1. That is nothing but 2 times of tk. Okay Arya, all right, digital YT. Let me check here. देखते हैं क्या आंसर आता है. So in general, like we have a term. In general, we can say that what we have right now. Take a look here. अभी आपके पास है क्या? Take a look here. Okay, so 2 times of tk, 2 times of tk is equal to what? 1 by, yes, k square minus k plus 1 and minus 1 by k square plus k plus 1. Easy? Now apply sigma. अब आपको समेशन अप्लाई करना है. लाइक समेशन इज फ्रॉम 1 to 10 ईयर. आपके पास टोटल 10 टर्म है. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू टेक लाइक अगर आप सिग्मा अप्लाई करिए डायरेक्टली आप फाइंड कर सकते लाइक T1, T2, T3 अप टू T20 टर्म आप फाइंड करें और फिर से ऐड कर ले. वी विल गेट द आंसर. सेम थिंग इज इट? यस, सेम थिंग वी नीड टू अप्लाई हियर लाइक twice of T1. Now what we get if we put down 1 here, 1 minus 1 and plus 1, that should be 1 here, and minus here, that should be 1 by 3. Correct? Now substitute 2 here. Once we substitute 2 here, what we get here? Any idea? Second term. Yes, 4 minus 2, 3 plus 1. It should be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7. Then twice of T3, 1 by 7 minus 1 by 13, and so on. What will be the 10th term? The 10th term. Okay, digital. 1 by, yes, 10th term. 10 square minus 10 plus 1, 100, 91, minus 1 by 111. Correct? Now we need to add all these term. We need to add all these term. What we get here? 2 times of Tn. That is the sum. 1 by 3 will cancel out. 1 by 7 will cancel out. Yes, successive term will cancel out. Okay, diagonally आप cancel out करते हैं. आपके पास बचता क्या है? 1 minus 1 by 111. Or what about Tn? The nth term? 55 by 111. That is m by n. Now add it. You will get the answer. Yes, m by n. It's something like rhyming with you people. Imbibers. Okay. So yes, imbibers. आपको हिम्मत नहीं हारना है. काफी कम दिन है और काफी अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस भी हैं हमारे पास. Just do it. Okay. ऐसे पढ़ना है कि बाद में उसे अब रिवीजन ना करना पड़े. All right. Okay. Just note it down, each and every one. So easy and simple here. Clear? Any doubt, any confusion? You can ask me one more time. If you have any doubt, any confusion, just note it down, each and every one here. Same answer. Yes, that is correct. Well done. Well done. Same answer. ठीक है. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, Arya. All right. Just note it down. Each and every one. M by n. इस टाइप के भी क्वेश्चन काफी आते हैं. I have done 1 0 by 2. Okay, all right. आपने 1 minus I think आप बोल चुके थे वहाँ. Okay, 111 है वहाँ पे अनुष्का. No issue. Okay, 111 है. थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन पे ध्यान दें. All of you. Yes, जागते रहें. Focus on a board here. Take a look here. The next one. Question number 12 here. So yes, take a look at the question number 12 here. Find the sum of the 10 term of series here. 3 by 1 square into 2 square plus 5 by 2 square into 3 square plus 7 by 3 square plus 4 square and so on up to 10 term. Remember, it's not up to the infinity here, to 10 terms only. So do you have any idea? Okay, Arya. Yes, it's the next one. So again, same pattern. Yes, same thing we need to apply here. कुछ नहीं करना है, सबसे पहले क्या निकालते हैं हम? आरिक टर्म फाइंड करते हैं. सो कैन एनीवन कैन टेल मी द आरिक टर्म हियर? यस, बस आरिक टर्म बताना है, आंसर नहीं करना है. ओके, जस्ट आरिक टर्म. थिंक अबाउट इट. 3 5 7. यस, 3 5 7. व्हाट इट शुड बी? 3 5 7 मीन्स व्हाट? ये तो आपका ऑड नंबर है न्यूमरेटर में. यस, so that should be what? 2r plus 1 done divided by. Now look at the denominator. 1 square into 2 square, or 2 square into 3 square, or 3 square into 4 square. Okay, Anushka, 2r plus 1 upon r plus 1. Good approach, but yes, exactly Arya. Good approach. आप स्क्वायर भूल गए वहां पे. Yes, yes, that is correct. आप बस स्क्वायर भूले वहां पे, no worry. So that should be what? r square and r plus 1 square here. So कैसे अप्रोच करें आपको भी पता है. Yes, we have to make a difference at the numerator. न्यूमरेटर पे डिफरेंस बनाना है, करेक्ट? ओके, क्या करें? किसी से क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, क्या डिवाइड करना होगा? इज दैट पॉसिबल? ओके, डिजिटल वाइटी, ऑल राइट. 1 minus, okay, let me check the answer. First of all, let me solve it. So अगर आप इनका डिफरेंस लेते हैं, yes, like r plus 1 of a square whole square minus r of a square, what we get here? A square plus b square plus 2ab minus r of a square will get cancel out. 1 plus 2r. The difference is already given. वाह, काफी अच्छी बात है. कुछ भी एडजस्ट नहीं करना है. क्लियर? कुछ भी एडजस्ट नहीं करना. द डिफरेंस इज ऑलरेडी गिवन एट द न्यूमरेटर. आपका डिफरेंस दिया हुआ है. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू हियर? सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है, काफी इजी कैलकुलेशन है. करना पड़ेगा या कर लोगे? ओके, करते हैं, नो इशू. सो टेक अ लुक हियर. Focus on a board here. So at the numerator, can we adjust like a 2r plus 1 is nothing but r plus 1 whole of a square minus r of a square and whole divided by what? R square r plus 1 whole of a square, like that. 2r plus 1. Yes, yes, this is the in the numerator. That is correct here. Now try to again simplify. What we get here? R term 120 by 121. Okay, let me solve. So its r term is nothing but it is 1 by r of a square and minus 1 by r plus 1 square. Again सम कितना फाइंड करना है? 10 टर्म का. आपके पास r टर्म है यहाँ पे, जनरल टर्म है आपके पास यहाँ पे. नाउ ट्राई टू फाइंड ऑल दोस टर्म, t1 t2 t3 and t4, all those टर्म. ओके, सारे टर्म हम फाइंड करते हैं यहाँ पे. देन इट विल बिकम वेरी इजी. लेट्स टेक अ लुक हियर. सारे टर्म फाइंड करते हैं. ओके, ऑल राइट आर्या. ओके अनुष्का. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द फर्स्ट टर्म? The first term is, yes, just put down 1 here. 1 minus 1 by 2 square. Then second term, 1 by twice of a square minus 1 by 3 square. Third term, 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square and so on. 10th term, 1 by 10 square minus 1 by 11 square. Now try to club it. सारे टर्म्स को क्लब करते हैं, मिलाते हैं, ऐड करते हैं. We need to add all these terms. So what we get? That is Tn. It's sum. Simply Tn is nothing but that is the sum. Okay. Again यहाँ पे diagonal numbers आपके cancel out होते जा रहे हैं. Remember, it will cancel out. Only get 1 minus 1 by 11 square, or it should be what? 1 minus 1 by 1 to 1. Okay, all right, all of you given the right answer. काफी सारे आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. Excellent. Yes, that is correct here. Well done. इस काफी लोगों ने सही जवाब दिया यहाँ पे। अनुष्का, आर्या, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, एग्जैक्टली राइट, राइट आंसर, जस्ट नोट इट डाउन। यस, इंपॉर्टेंट है, एग्जैक्टली अब इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन अगर आते हैं क्या आपसे हो जाएंगे, इजी है। यस, क्या करना होगा यहाँ पे, बस डिनोमिनेटर की हेल्प से न्यूमरेटर में आपको क्या करना है, डिफरेंस क्रिएट करना है, देन इट विल बिकम वेरी इजी, फिर आपको सम फाइंड कर लेना है। काफी इजी है, काफी सिंपल है। ओके, ऑल राइट, इजी, एग्जैक्टली एक बार आपको आरएफ टर्म मिल जाता है तो आपका क्वेश्चन काफी इजी हो जाता है, काफी आसानी से आप उसे सॉल्व कर पाते हैं। ओके, यस अनुष्का, काफी इजी है, काफी सिंपल है। ओके, टेक अ लुक एट द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 here. Again find the sum. Any idea? Yes, 9 by 1 into 2 into 5 square plus 13 by 2 into 3 into 5 cube plus 17 by 3 into 4 into 5 raised to power 4. How do we approach? Yes, कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, क्या सॉल्व करेंगे, कैसे निकालेंगे? रिमेंबर इट्स अप टू इंफिनिटी, रिमेंबर कहां तक है ये टर्म आपके, इंफिनिटी तक, अप टू इंफिनिटी, नॉट लाइक अ 10 टर्म 15 टर्म, नहीं, इनफाइनाइट नहीं, ये इनफिनिट सीरीज, रिमेंबर इट्स इनफिनिट। अगेन जनरल टर्म की ओर जाए, यस आरएफ टर्म फाइंड करते हैं यहां पे। ओके, टेक अ लुक हियर, सो व्हाट विल बी द आरएफ टर्म, एनी आइडिया? सो सबसे पहले न्यूमरेटर को देख लेते हैं, 9 13 17, 9 13 17 एपी है, yes, plus 4 and so on, so that should be what, it is taken as 4r plus 5 at the denominator. डिनोमीटर में क्या हो रहा है, 1 then 2, we have like a 1 then 2 then 3 and so on here, so can we write like r, then we have a one more successive number like 1 into 2 is there, so that should be what, r plus 1 and 5 square. Yes, the power start from 2 here, सिर्फ 5 होता तो आप लिख सकते थे 5 raised to power r, like 5 square and so on, it start from 5 square. very good अनुष्का, r से 5 raised to power r minus 1, r minus 1 can we consider, like फिर आपको वहां पे सीरीज स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा 3 से, like समेशन 3 से अप्लाई करना होगा। ओके, सो टेक r plus 1, yes, 5 raised to power r plus 1, done. What next step, try to create what, difference at the numerator, same approach, और कुछ नहीं करना है। How do we adjust here, any idea? कुछ हो सकता है, कैसे सॉल्व करें, एनीवन, न्यूमरेटर में क्या एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, थिंक अबाउट इट। अगर आप न्यूमरेटर में r को ऐड करें और r को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, सो व्हाट वी गेट हियर, 4r plus r, that is 5r, yes, and then plus 5, put it down together and we have a minus r at the denominator. At the denominator r, just write it down as it is. Okay, it is 5 raised to power r plus 1, yes, 5 raised to power r plus 1 is nothing but 5 raised to power r times 5, and if we just put down 1 5 inside the bracket here, we get what, 5r plus 5 into 5 raised to power r. Clear? Is that clear, or still have a confusion? Okay, now what next, just separate it and cancel out your term, just cancel out your term here. What we get here, the first one, 1 by r raised to power 5 raised to power r, and the next one 1 by 5r plus 5 time 5 raised to the power r. Yes, 5 raised to the power r. Now again we can take a common 5 here. Exactly, just take it. So it will become very easy to calculate. 1 by r plus 1 and 5 raised to the power r plus 1. That is what? Rth term. Okay, Anushka. All right. So quick. 1 by 5. Let me check. 1 by 5 is the right answer or not. So we have a Rth term. It is 1 by r into 5 raised to the power r and minus 1 by r plus 1 5 raised to the power r plus 1 here. So this is the Rth term. Now we need to find the infinity term here. Remember the infinity term here. So yes, let's start. You can get the answer here very quickly. Like first term. Substitute 1 here. What we get here? 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2 times 5 square. Clear? Now second term. What will be the second term? Okay, Arya. All right, Anushka. If we substitute 2 here, 1 by 2 times 5 square minus 1 by 3 times 5 cube. Yes, third term. 1 by 3 times 5 cube minus 1 by 4 times 5 raised to the power 4 here. Now up to the infinity. Is that possible to write to the infinity? No, impossible here. But we can guess the answer. Like we have to like 3 terms are enough here. Okay, किसी भी sequence या series का nature जानना है तो 3 term काफी होते हैं. Now up to the infinity. Remember ये infinity तक गया हुआ है. So if we add all these term here, look at the successive term. It will definitely cancel out. Cancelling out. Yes, the successive term. So only the first term is left here. That is 1 by 5 and 1 by 5 is the answer. Exactly, Arya and Anushka. Yes, yes. Both of you given the right answer. That is correct. 1 by 5 is the right answer. Just note it down. Each and every one. Yes. अगर कुछ limited तक होता like 10 term or 11 term, maybe you will get a different answer. Okay, but it's up to the infinity here, so they will cancel and cancel out again and again and again. So you will get 1 by 5 only. Clear? Yes, 1 by 5. Noted and done, all of you. Any doubt, any confusion? Ask me one more time and clear your doubt. Okay, take a look here, the next one, the next part. Take a look here, the next part, the next question we have here. Question number 14 here. Yes, if the sum of first 10 term of a series, like we need to find the sum of the first 10 term of a series which is equal to m by n, where m and n co-prime, find m plus n. Again we need to find m by n here. Yes, what do you think here, students? How do we solve here? Very easy question it is. All of you. Easy and simple. Is it? आर्या, it's up to like it depends here. Like अभी आपने वहां पे r minus 1 suppose किया है, like 5 raised to power r minus 1, correct? R minus 1 or 5 raised to power r. So you will get the answer definitely. Yes, exactly. R minus 1, like previous time r minus 1, then r, you have chosen r and then 5 raised to power r here. तो but यहाँ पे different क्या हो रहा है? आपका जो समेशन है वो डिफरेंट जा रहा है. यस, जब आप समेशन करें तो लिमिट सबके लिए सेम नहीं हो पाएगा. दैट्स वाई. ओके, सबके लिए लिमिट सेम होना चाहिए हर एक टर्म के लिए, इस टर्म. ऑलराइट, so take a look at the next one here. If the sum of the first n term of a series is given here, which is equal to m by n, where m and n are co-prime number, find m plus n here. So easy again. yes, काफी easy है, simple है, कर सकते हैं आप लोग. ओके, मैं आपको आर एस टर्म लिख के दे सकता हूँ, या आपसे हो जाएगा. ऑल ऑफ यू, क्या आप कर सकते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को? इंपॉर्टेंट है, m by n कर सकते हैं. like rth term is equal to what here? Look at the numerator 1 2 3 4, obviously it should be r here. At the denominator में कैसे solve करें? Like 5 65 325 1025 here. अगर ये 464 ऐसे होता तो काफी इजी होता ना, like 464 yes 1024 like that. कैसे ब्रेक करें यहाँ पे? Like 5 is there, 65 is there, 325 is there. एक कैसे ब्रेक करें 5 को? 5 can be written like what? 4 into 1 plus 1 like that. And 65 को भी आप कुछ इस तरह से ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. Like if we subtract 1 we will get what? 64. 65 में 64 बचता है. So 4 times 16. Correct? 4 times 16 plus 1. Yes. What will the next one? 4 r power 4 plus 1. Yes, Arya, that is correct here. So I just try to understand want to explain here, like we have a 1 here. 1 can be written like 1 raised power 4, like 16 can be written here like what? 2 raised power 4, and the next term will be what? 4 times 3 raised power 4 plus 1 like that here. Is that clear here? So the denominator will be what? It should be what? 4 times r raised to power 4 plus 1. Correct? Now try to create difference at the numerator. अब आपको difference create करना है कहां पे? Numerator पे. कैसे करें? Easy. You know the factorization. Yes, factorization आपको पता है या नहीं? 4r raised to power 4 plus 1. Anyone? Yes, anyone? Any idea? क्या factorization हो सकता है इसका? Think about it. क्या लिख सकते हैं हम इसे? 2r square plus 1 whole square minus 2r square. We have to simply write down 2r square plus 1 whole square minus 2r whole square. That is the rth term. Now, if we try to take a difference, what we get here? We need 4r at the numerator. आपको क्या चाहिए? 4r at the numerator. So just multiply 4 both side here. We will get rth term. Now we have a 10th term. Try to solve it. You will get the value of m by n. Okay? And do not forget to write your answer in a chat box, all of you. Yes, काफी easy. अब आपके सामने rth term है. So you can solve it. Yes or no? Or still have a confusion? Okay. Yes, maybe 441 or something, like you will get the answer. I just gave you a hint here. Clear? 276. Okay, all right. It's up to you. Just note it down, and it's up to you now. You have to solve it, all of you. Okay, Arya. All right. Now it's time to do the next one here, the next part. Take a look at the next question. Question number 15 here. Okay, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन कैसे करेंगे हम? Like let x and y is more than 0 if x cube y square is equal to 2 raised by 15, then find the least value of 3x plus 2y. Yes, least value, maximum value, इस टाइप के भी क्वेश्चन आपके आते हैं सीक्वेंस में. AP, JP, yes, AP, GP, HP, like that. So इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन की अप्रोच क्या होती है? कैसे सॉल्व किया जाते हैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन? Anyone know that? Like जितनी पावर होती है उतने पार्ट में डिवाइड करना होता है, like that. Is it clear? Yes, like we have a 3x or 2y, if you remember. Now 3x, yes, highest power of a x here, it should be 3. So we need to break this x into 3 part. Remember, yes, 3 part. Now, how it could be easily, like we have a 3 part of x here, so we can easily write it down x, x, x here. Now what happen if we have a like a twice of x, and we need to break into 2 parts, so it should be written x and x only. If we have a only y and we need to just divide into 2 parts, so that should be like y by 2 and y by 2, like that here. Okay. Okay, Anushka, Yes, so we have a y square as well here. So this question become very easy here. It should be written as like y and y here. Now, which approach we need to apply here? The simple approach, you all know that AM is more than equal to GM. Okay, you people get the answer? Let me check here. So yes, just apply the arithmetic mean here. We need to add all this value here. So yes, x plus x plus x plus y whole divided by 5 more than equal to, that is GM here, geometric median, just x cube time y square whole raised to power 1 by 5. The value is given here. That should be like a 3x plus 2y more than equal to what? 2 raised to power 15 whole raised to power 1 by 5 here. So we'll cancel out, we get 2 raised to power 3 and 3x plus 2y more than equal to what? 8 times 5, that is 40 here. Yes, you all given the right answer. That is correct. Excellent. Yes, Arya. Very good, Anushka. Very good. All of you given the right answer. That is correct. Just focus on next here, the next part. Question number 16. Okay, thoda sa different language lag raha hai. Like let function we have R to R such that like the domain is there, like x belongs to R. We have a function such that like x belongs to R. Then we have a function here like 2 raised to power 1 plus x plus 2 raised to power 1 minus x and fx and 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power minus x are in AP. So find the minimum value of fx here. We need to find the minimum value, least value of fx here. Anyone know that? How do we solve here this type of a problem, this type of a question here? Anyone? Okay. Any idea? How do we solve? Think about it. So easy and simple. Answer is 6. Okay, Anushka, let me check. So basically we have a 2 raised to power 1 plus x plus 2 raised to power 1 by x, 1 minus x it is, fx and 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power minus x, they all are in AP. So if we know that if we have a 3 term in a AP here, so obviously double of middle term 2 times of fx is equal to what? Twice of 1 plus x plus twice of 1 minus x. Okay, 2 raised to power 1 minus x it should be, added to 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power minus x, or fx is equal to what? The minimum value we can also think that the fx must be equal to what here? Half of the minimum value of 2 raised to power 1 plus x added to 2 raised to power 1 minus x plus 3 raised to power x added to 3 raised to power minus x. Bracket close. We will use the property. Okay. All are saying 6 here. Or yes, 6, Anushka say 6 here. We will use this property. Okay. X plus 1 by x is more than and equal to 2 if x is positive. Okay. Can we apply AMGM as well here? क्या हम यहाँ पे AMGM apply कर सकते हैं? Okay, all right. It's 3 now. Let me check here. So yes, we can apply AMGM as well here, but यहाँ पे break करके apply करना है. Remember, यही गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए कि आप एक साथ इसे AM और GM में apply कर देते हैं और आपका आंसर different आने लगता है. Not like that here. Yes, we have to just apply the AM and GM. In partition, we can say that, okay? Our first function may apply kare, फिर second function like apply AM and GM. AM more than equal to GM here. Like the first one, that is 2 raised to power 1 plus x added to 2 raised to power 1 minus x divided by 2 more than equal to what? 2 raised to power 1 plus x into 2 raised to power 1 minus x whole raised to power 1 by 2. Now club the exponent here. Once we club the exponent, what we get here? 4. Yes, must be equal to more than equal to 4 here. Clear? Now take a look at the next part. The next one, what we have here, 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power minus x divided by 2 more than equal to what? 1. Can we write 1 directly? Like we have a 3 raised to power x into 3 raised to power minus x whole raised to power 1 by 2. So that should be what? Greater or equal to 1 here. Is it clear? So 2 gets to the right side here. Okay, all right. Okay. Just give me a second. So we need to write down like that here. 2 raised to power 1 plus x plus 2 raised to power 1 minus x must be greater or equal to 4. Like that. Okay. All right. Now the okay, आप इसे इक्वेशन 1 भी सपोज कर सकते हैं, नो इशू. So 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power minus x is more than equal to what? Plus 2. That is equation number 2 here. Now substitute the value 1 into in fx here. Yes, what we get here? Fx, the least value. Half of what? 4 plus 2. Yes, आप इसे more than equal to half भी लिख सकते हैं, no issue. 6 by 2. 3 is the right answer. Done. Yes, 3 is the right answer. Final answer. How easy? Okay. All clear? Any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me. All of you. Noted and done? Okay. Now take a look at the next part here. The next question number 17, we can see that if x is like between 0 and 1 here, like more than 0 or less than 1, then 3 by 2 x square plus 5 by 3 x cube plus 7 by 4 x raised to power 4 up to the infinity. Remember, up to the infinity is equal to what? Again, yes, PYQ आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है. Think about it. What will be the answer? Take your time, all of you, each and everyone. Okay, Anushka, all right, Arya, take your time. Okay, थोड़ा सा हिंट दे सकता हूं मैं यहाँ पे कि हम यहाँ पे ना लॉगरिथम सीरीज यूज करने वाले. यस, हम यहाँ पे लॉगरिथम सीरीज यूज करने वाले. Take your time, all of you. What will be the answer? Like, I would like to break the first part 3 by 2 x square. 3 by 2 x square को आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? Anyone know that? क्या आप इसे कुछ ऐसा लिख सकते हैं? 2x square minus x square by 2. Like 2 2s are 4 minus 1 3 by 2. Yes, that is correct here. Like 2x square minus x square by 2. Similarly, we have a 5 by 3 x cube. This 5 by 3 x cube here. We can write twice of x cube, like 2x cube minus x cube by 3. Yes, 3 2s are 6 minus 1 5x cube by 3 here. Then we have 7 by 4. 7 by 4 x raised to power 4 means what? Yes, the power is increases there again. So what we can write down here, 2x raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 4 by 4 here. It looks like a sequence, correct? And so on here. Yes, we have infinity terms. So your sequence will be what it will be. Your sequence, your series. Like to write here, your series will be changed there. Like a series will be what? I have to write like in all those first term we have a 2 common. Like inside the bracket, what we have right now? We have x square plus x cube plus x raised to power 4 and so on up to the infinity. Then minus sign. Yes, minus sign. If we take minus common, can we write inside the number? Whole number will be positive, like x square by 2 plus x raised to power 3 by 3 plus x raised to power 4 by 4 and so on up to the infinity here. Clear? Okay. Focus on the next year. What should I have to write now? Focus on the next year. Like write down 2 as it is. Take something is common, like we have x square plus x cube plus x raised to power 4 here. Okay, Arya. All right. So quick. Just take x square common. So inside the bracket, what we get right now? We get what? 1 plus x square plus and so on up to the infinity here. Correct? Minus. Now we have x square by 2 plus x raised to power 3 by 3 plus x raised to power 4 by 4 and so on. Now, in a second bracket, if we add x and subtract x, what do we get here? Yes, if we add x and subtract x. Remember, the series is like up to the infinity, remember. In a first bracket, we have a GP. Yes, sum of infinite term. That should be like a by 1 minus r. In a second bracket, the minus x you have to write down as it is here. Yes, minus x you have to write down as it is here, the last one. And just focus on this term, x plus x square by 2 plus x raised to power 3 by 3. It is nothing but minus time of log of 1 minus x here. Clear? Now try to solve this term. We will get the final answer. Try to solve it. So we have here finally 2x square by 1 minus x plus x plus log of 1 minus x, and try to simplify. We will get what? X time x plus 1 by 1 minus x plus log of 1 minus x is the answer. Done. Okay, Anushka. Yes, Ari. Absolutely brilliant. Yes. You people given the right answer. Excellent. Okay. Take a look here. The next part. The next question. The next part. क्वेश्चन रेटेड, ये भी क्वेश्चन आपके आए हुए हैं PYQs में. यस, ये भी क्वेश्चंस आपके PYQs में आए हुए हैं, रिमेंबर. ओके, सो इट्स टाइम टू डू द सेकेंड पार्ट. इधर फर्स्ट और सेकेंड कोई भी करते हैं. सो आई हैव टू जस्ट डू द फर्स्ट पार्ट हियर. फर्स्ट पार्ट करते हैं यहाँ पे. टेक अ लुक हियर, ऑल ऑफ यू. टेक अ लुक हियर. So first part is like a summation 0 to infinite n cube by factorial n, and the second one is like summation n equal to 0 to infinity n square by factorial n here. So मैं B part करता हूँ, like summation n equal to 0 to infinite n square by factorial n here. Correct? So don't confuse, ये भी factorial का sign है. You all know that. Now what next here? n square at the numerator. n square numerator में, so can we break here? n square को आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? n into n, correct? And factorial n, we can write n minus 1. Yes, cancel out. What left here? n by factorial n minus 1. Now at the numerator क्या करें? Add 1, subtract 1. न्यूमरेटर में 1 को ऐड करें और 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें. क्लियर? यस. सो अब क्या करें? अब यहां से क्या होना चाहिए? again we need to separate the term n plus 1 by n minus 1 factorial and minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. Is it able to simplify like a factorial n minus 1? क्या आप और इसे सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं? Is that possible? Anyone? n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, all right. Like जब हमने 1 को ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है एट द न्यूमरेटर, तो क्या आप इसे इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं लाइक n minus 1 plus 1 like that and whole divided by factorial n minus 1 and factorial n minus 1 like that. Okay, now try to apply here. So n by n factorial again, so it should be like a 1 by factorial n minus what 2 plus 1 by factorial n minus 1 here. Okay, करना क्या था, अप्रोच क्या थी, बस न्यूमरेटर को सिंप्लीफाई करना था, लाइक न्यूमरेटर को रिमूव करना था किसी भी तरह से. न्यूमरेटर को आप 1 बना दे, इससे बेटर क्या है कांस्टेंट कर लें, इससे बेटर क्या है. ओके, नाउ अप्लाई समेशन हियर. जब आप समेशन अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, यस लुक एट द समेशन, इट्स लाइक स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 टू इनफिनाइट, करेक्ट. यहां पे भी आप 0 से इनफिनिटी अप्लाई करेंगे, बट look at here, once is that possible to inside the factorial we have a negative number? No, not possible. So we have a summation like from here 2 to infinity. Remember n equal to 2 to infinity, 1 by factorial n minus 2. Next one, 0 to infinity possible? No, it should be possible like from 1 to infinity. That is what, 1 by factorial n minus 1. Now try to open it. What we get here? Anyone? We get what? 1 by 0 plus 1 by 1 factorial, remember, plus 1 by 2 factorial plus and so on up to infinite, plus again same thing 1 by 0 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial and so on up to the infinity. What will be the final answer? At the beginning of the session सबसे पहले हमने एक शीट देखा था, एक फॉर्मूला देखा था, e raised to power x में अगर x equal to 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं तो आपके सामने एक सीक्वेंस आता है, एक सीरीज आता है. The value of this sequence is e and another e we have here. Twice of e is the final answer. Yes, 2e is the final answer. So can you try the first one? क्या first one try कर सकते हैं? Yes, all of you. Just try first one. Okay, try करना है, आराम से सॉल्व करना है, जो भी आंसर आता है चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करना है. रिमेंबर, ओके, कमेंट करना है आपको अपने आंसर्स को. क्लियर? जस्ट नोट इट डाउन ईच एंड एवरीवन. ऑलराइट, क्लियर? एनी डाउट, एनी कंफ्यूजन, यू कैन आस्क मी, ऑल ऑफ यू. Okay, all clear? Yes, क्या आपसे हो सकता है? Yes, like a n cube is there. You just write down like n time n square by n factorial. We can write down n minus 1. So we will get what here? N square by n minus 1 factorial. Then again you can add or subtract 1 here. Simplify it. Try to. You have to just break into 3 term. Remember. Yes, you will get 3 term. Remember. Okay. Take a look here. One more question we have here. Yes, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 आज का स्पेशल क्वेश्चन हम कह सकते हैं. यस, द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन एडवांस 2017. एग्जैक्टली एडवांस का क्वेश्चन है ये. क्या आपसे हो सकता है ये? इज दैट पॉसिबल? क्या आप इसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? काफी इजी क्वेश्चन है. द साइड ऑफ अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल आर इन एपी. इफ द एरिया इज 24 स्क्वायर यूनिट, वी कैन से दैट. देन व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ स्मॉलेस्ट साइड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल? यस, ये क्वेश्चन आपका एडवांस में आया था 2017 में. लुक एट द लेवल, कितना इजी क्वेश्चन है. यस, फुल मार्क. विद इन अ मिनट। एनी आइडिया कैसे अप्रोच करें, कैसे सॉल्व करें? ओके, ट्राई टू मेक अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बना लेते हैं। यू नो दैट ड्राइंग मेरा इतना अच्छा है नहीं, बट यू हैव टू कंसीडर। यस, ये आपका एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है। क्लियर? ओके, सो वी हैव अ थ्री साइड एंड द साइड्स आर इन एपी। आपकी साइड्स कैसी है? अर्थमेटिक में, करेक्ट? यस, सो वी हैव टू टेक व्हाट should be like a minus d, a or a plus d here, correct? So a plus d, obviously both are positive, it will be the longest, so आप इसे hypotenuse ले सकते हैं like a plus d here and the remaining two a minus d and a. Okay, now according to the question here, the area is given here, that is 24 square unit. You have to simply write it down, don't forget about the unit as well. So the area is nothing but area of a triangle. I have to name it ABC. Area of a right angle triangle is given. It is 24 here. 24 square unit. What will be the area of a triangle? We know that simply half into base into height here. Yes, look at the height. It is already given and base as well here. So just apply half into base is a minus d and height is a is equal to 24 here. Okay, all right, or what we can assume here, we have to just mark equation number 1. Smallest side is 6 here. Okay, all right, so quick, let me check here. So आप इसे equation 1 suppose कर सकते हैं for a moment. Yes, it is taken as equation 1. Apply Pythagoras. A plus d whole of a square is equal to what? A square plus a minus d whole of a square. Try to simplify. A plus d whole square minus a minus d whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, like that. So what we get here? 4ab. Yes, 4ad is equal to what? A square. Oh, 1a gets cancelled out. A is equal to 4d. Yes. This is our equation number 2. Try to solve it. You will get the answer. A and D. Yes, once we get A and D, we will get what? The smallest side, A minus D. 6 is the right answer. Yes, Arya and Anushka. Absolutely brilliant. 6 unit is the right answer. Excellent. Well done. Well done. That is correct. Okay. So, ये था आज के सेशन में सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज। एचपी की कोई बात ही नहीं हुई क्योंकि एचपी है ही नहीं, करेक्ट? एग्जैक्टली। सो आपके पास अर्थमेटिक और ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन जो कि हमने सारे पीवाईक्यू को कवर किया। ज्यादातर हमने क्या किया कि जितने वेराइटीज हैं सारी कवर हो जाए आपकी। यस, सो आपने क्वेश्चन का लेवल भी देखा, काफी छोटे क्वेश्चन भी थे, काफी यस जो ऐसे क्वेश्चन आप कह सकते हैं जो विद इन 1 मिनट भी हो जा रहे थे, और कुछ ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन थे टेक्निकली कि हाँ थोड़ा उन्हें सॉल्व करना पड़ा था, उन्हें आर टर्म निकालना पड़ा था, फिर उन्हें सॉल्व करना पड़ा था। क्लियर? सो क्या करना बच्चों? सिंपली यस, डोंट फॉरगेट टू download the app, the Embibe app, yes, as well as 3 app we have here, remember. Okay, yes, try to just download the application और एप्लीकेशन पर भी आए क्योंकि वहां पर भी काफी ज्यादा कुछ हो रहा है आजकल। यस, काफी ज्यादा सेशन चल रहे हैं, आपको पता है यूट्यूब एंड एम्बाइब एप्लीकेशन है, तो काफी कम दिन बचे हैं, तो ऐप पर आना ना भूलें। बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हमें वहां भी करने हैं। यस, ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ यहाँ पे हमने बस मैक्सिमम 18-19 क्वेश्चन कर ली तो बस हो गया, नहीं, काफी कुछ और भी करना है, तो बस एप्लीकेशन पे जरूर आइए। क्लियर? ऑलराइट, एंड again one more time regarding your student, regarding your doubt as well as telegram channel here, so आप जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन पे दिया हुआ है, सिंपली जस्ट क्लिक ऑन इट एंड ट्राई टू ज्वाइन इट। ओके, ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस इज शेख रफीक signing off. See you in a next session. Take care all of you. Thank you so much for joining today. Bye everyone. Take care everyone. Thank you so much for joining today. बाद में